Welcome to FAI. Let me quickly show you how to create your account and get started. First, open f-ai.in in your browser. You'll land on the home page. Click the Get Started button. This will take you to the registration page. Here, enter your details. Your full name, your email address, your phone number, and create a secure password. Once everything is filled in, click Get Started. If the terms and conditions pop-up appears, simply review and accept it to continue. After registration, FAI will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your email, find the verification message from FAI, and click the verification link. Once your email is verified, the next step is phone verification. Enter the OTP sent to your mobile number and complete the verification process. For first-time users, both email verification and phone verification are required only once to keep your account secure. After verification is complete, you'll automatically be redirected to the company onboarding page. Welcome to FAI Company Registration. Here, you can create your first company or add a new company. Let's get started by setting up your company details. Enter your business information to create your company profile. Select your business type. Enter your company name. Provide your company email for communication and notifications. Enter your phone number. Select your tax regime. Enter your GSTIN for tax compliance. Provide your PAN number for business identification. Select your base currency for all financial transactions. Choose your country. Select your state or province. Enter your registered business address. Once all details are filled, click on Continue to Dashboard. Your company setup will be completed, and you will be redirected to your dashboard. To switch between companies, go to the top of the sidebar. Click on your current company name. A list of all your companies will appear. Select the company you want to switch to. Once selected, all data and actions will update based on the chosen company. If you want to create a new company, click on Create New Company. You will be redirected to the company registration page. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your real-time financial intelligence center. At the top, you can select your date range to view financial data. You also have the option to export your reports as a PDF. In the Key Metrics section, you can quickly view your business performance, track total revenue, net profit, cash balance, and runway. These metrics give you an instant snapshot of your financial health. In the Financial Performance section, you can analyze revenue versus expenses. This helps you understand how your business is performing over time. The Cash Flow section shows operating, investing, and financing activities. This helps you track how money is moving in and out of your business. In the Expense Mix section, you can see where your money is being spent. It breaks down expenses into categories for better cost analysis. The Cash Cycle section shows receivables versus payables. This helps you understand how quickly money is collected and paid. In the Capital Structure section, you can view assets, liabilities, and equity. This gives you a complete picture of your financial position. All insights are updated in real time based on your business data. Navigate to Sidebar Arrow Point of Sale. Click on Terminal. Welcome to the Point of Sale section. Here, you can process sales, manage sessions, and handle customer checkouts. Start by searching or selecting products from the available categories. Browse items such as beverages or other inventory products. Click on a product to add it to the cart. Selected items will appear in the cart on the right. You can assign a customer or continue with a walk-in customer. Review the cart summary, including subtotal, discount, tax, and total amount applied discounts if required. Once everything is verified, click on Pay and Checkout. Complete the payment to generate the invoice and record the transaction. Navigate to Point of Sale, click on Orders. Welcome to the POS Orders section. Here, you can view and manage all point-of-sale transactions. Use the search bar to find orders by invoice number or customer name. Apply date range filters to view transactions within a specific period. Each order displays key details such as invoice ID, customer, date, status, and amount. You can review completed transactions and their payment status. Click on the menu option next to any order to view more actions or details. Use this section to track sales history, verify transactions, and manage order records efficiently. Navigate to point of sale, click on Customers. Welcome to the Customers section. Here, you can manage customer profiles, view purchase history, and track loyalty. Use the search bar to find customers by name, phone number, or email. Each customer entry displays key details such as contact information, total visits, total spend, and last visit. You can quickly identify repeat customers and analyze their buying behavior. Walk-in customers are also recorded for transaction tracking. Click on History to view detailed purchase records for any customer. Use this section to build better customer relationships and improve retention. Navigate to Sidebar Sales Invoice. Welcome to the Sales Invoice section. Here, you can manage and track all customer invoices. Use the search bar to find invoices by number or customer name. Apply category filters to organize invoices as needed. Each invoice displays key details such as invoice ID, date, customer, due date, amount, and delivery status. You can monitor payment status and track pending invoices. Click on New Invoice to create a new sales invoice. Welcome to the Create New Sales Invoice section. Here, you can manually create a new invoice for a customer. The invoice number and date are auto-generated, but can be adjusted if needed. Select the price mode based on your requirement. In the Customer Details section, select the storehouse. Enter the customer name and provide details such as country, state, and billing address. Add optional details like tax ID, email, and phone number. Enable TDS if applicable. In the Items section, click on Add Item. Select the type as goods or services. Choose the product or service description. Enter the price, quantity, discount, and tax percentage. The total amount will be calculated automatically. Add multiple items as required. Once all details are verified, click on Create Invoice. Your invoice will be successfully generated and added to the invoice list. Navigate to Sales Analytics. Click on Analytics and Reporting. Welcome to the Analytics and Reporting section. Here, you can deep dive into sales performance, inventory health, and business trends. Select a date range to analyze performance for a specific period. Click on Export Data to download your analytics reports. At the top, view key metrics such as gross revenue, net profit, units sold, and total invoices. In the Sales Overview section, analyze POS sales and manual sales performance. Track revenue, profit, and number of items sold. In the Sales Intelligence section, explore insights such as basket analysis, inventory health, and predictions. Use the revenue trend chart to visualize how your revenue changes over time. Use the profit trend chart to monitor profitability trends. In the runner and repeater analysis section, identify top-performing and consistent products. View details such as SKU, category, revenue, units sold, average buy and sell price, and margin percentage. Use these insights to optimize pricing, inventory, and sales strategies. All analytics are updated dynamically based on your business data. Navigate to Sidebar Purchases. Welcome to the Purchases module. Here, you can manage your complete procurement workflow from request to payment. Start with purchase requisitions. In this section, you can request items for procurement. Click on New Request to create a purchase requisition. Track requisitions by status, such as draft, pending, rejected, or converted view details. and convert approved requisitions into purchase orders. Next, move to purchase orders. Here, you can manage and track all purchase orders created from requisitions, monitor order status and supplier details, proceed to goods receipt. Note: this section helps you track received inventory from suppliers. Click on New Goods Receipt Note to record incoming stock, verify received items, and update inventory status. Next, open Purchase Invoices. Here, you can manage vendor invoices and track accounts payable. Click on Record Invoice to add a new purchase invoice. View invoice details such as vendor, warehouse, due date, and outstanding amount. In the Debit Notes section, you can manage purchase returns. Click on New Debit Note to record returns or adjustments. Finally, go to Supplier Management. Here, you can manage vendor profiles and contact details. Click on Add Supplier to create a new supplier. Track supplier history, tax details, and purchase records. Use this module to streamline your entire procurement cycle, from request to payment and vendor management. Navigate to Sidebar Procurement. Welcome to the Procurement module. Here, you can manage forecasting, vendor sourcing, RFQs, and procurement analytics powered by AI. Start with Procurement Forecast. In this section, you can view AI-driven demand forecasting for each item. Track metrics such as average daily consumption, stock coverage, and safety buffer. Identify the expected stockout date and confidence score based on historical data. View AI-generated recommendations such as reorder point, safety stock, and suggested order quantity. Monitor vendor lead time and minimum order quantity. Use scenario planning to simulate demand changes and supplier delays. Visualize inventory movement using the live inventory trajectory chart. Next, move to Quotation Management. Here, you can compare vendor quotations and benchmark pricing. Search vendors and analyze SKU performance, pricing, and supplier ratings. Use this section to send RFQs, compare quotes, and make procurement decisions. Proceed to RFQ lifecycle track. Real-time engagement of your RFQs. Monitor submission rates, vendor views, and active requests. View detailed timelines showing when RFQs were sent, viewed, and quoted. Use this to follow up with vendors and improve response rates. Next, open procurement reports. Here, you can analyze procurement performance and spending. View key metrics such as monthly spend, active vendors, and average turnaround time. Track spend trends over time and identify top suppliers. Analyze vendor performance using matrices like TAT versus variety and risk profiles. Review global sourcing insights and optimization opportunities. Use these reports to make strategic procurement decisions and optimize costs. Finally, use the AI analysis tools. Trigger AI insights to analyze item-level procurement data. Get recommendations on pricing, vendor selection, and inventory optimization. Use this module to automate procurement planning, reduce costs, and improve supply chain efficiency. Navigate to Sidebar Inventory. Welcome to the Inventory module. Here, you can manage stock levels, products, batches, and inventory operations. Start with the Inventory dashboard. This section provides an overview of your stock levels and movements. View key metrics such as total products, total inventory value, and low stock alerts. Monitor recent stock movements, including stock in and stock out activities. Identify items that require restocking through low stock alerts. Next, go to Products. Here, you can manage your product inventory. Click on Add Product to create new items. View product details such as category, stock levels, tax, unit cost, and reorder levels. Use filters to sort by warehouse, category, or stock status. Proceed to Stock and Batches. Track inventory at the batch level. View details such as batch number, expiry date, cost, selling price, and available stock. This helps in managing perishable goods and batch-wise tracking. Next, open stock movements. Here, you can view the complete history of inventory transactions. Track stock inflow and outflow with references like sales invoices and purchase receipts. Each entry shows date, SKU, warehouse, type, quantity, and source document. Move to stock adjustments. Record inventory corrections, such as damage, shrinkage, or manual adjustments. Click on New Adjustment to update stock levels. Next, go to Recipes and BOM. Manage Bill of Materials and Product Recipes. Define how raw materials are converted into finished goods. This is useful for manufacturing or food-based businesses. Proceed to Barcode Generator. Generate and print barcode labels for products or recipes. Select items and define label quantity for printing. Finally, open inventory documents. Manage uploaded documents such as invoices, credit notes, and debit notes. Track document status and link them with inventory transactions. Use the inventory module to maintain accurate stock, optimize operations, and ensure smooth supply chain management. Navigate to Sidebar Services. Welcome to the Services section. Here, you can manage non-inventory service offerings and billing use options like export report and import to manage your service data. You can also manage staff, view analytics, and monitor services using the live board. Use the search bar to find specific services. Click on Add Service to create a new service. Welcome to the Add New Service section. Here, you can define your service offerings and billing configuration. Upload a service image if required. Enter the service name and optionally provide a SKU add, the SAC code for taxation classification. Select the service category and provide a detailed description. You can also define professional terms and conditions or generate them using AI. In the billing configuration section, choose the billing type such as fixed price. Enter the service rate. Enable the time picker. If the service requires time-based billing in POS, in the taxation compliance section, select the GST rate and pricing mode. Configure reverse charge or export settings if applicable. Set TDS configuration if required. Mark the service as active and sellable. Once all details are completed, click on Create Service. Your service will be successfully added and available for billing and POS usage. Navigate to Sidebar Uploads. Welcome to the Uploads module. Here, you can upload and process financial and business documents. The system automatically extracts important data from uploaded files such as invoices, bank statements, expense bills, and other supporting documents. Start with Document Upload. Click on Choose File to select the document you want to upload. Browse your system and select the required file. Supported formats may include PDF, JPG, PNG, and Excel files. After selecting the document, click on Upload. The uploaded file will now appear in the document list. Next, select the uploaded document, click on Process to begin data extraction. The system will take a few moments to analyze and extract information from the document. During processing, the status may show as In Progress or Processing. Once extraction is completed, the processed document will appear below in the Extracted Documents section. View extracted details such as document type, date, vendor name, transaction details, amounts, account information, and other detected fields. You can review the extracted data for accuracy before further use. Processed documents can be linked with accounting, inventory, banking, or expense records within the system. Use filters or search options to quickly locate uploaded or processed documents. The Uploads module helps automate document handling, reduce manual data entry, and improve operational efficiency through intelligent data extraction. Navigate to Sidebar Accounting. Welcome to the Accounting section. Here, you can manage all financial transactions, journals, ledgers, and financial records. Start with all transactions. In this section, you can view and manage all financial transactions. Filter transactions by type such as sales, purchase, expense, income, or adjustments. Use filters and search to find transactions by date, party, or document number. Each entry shows details like type, party, status, amount due, and amount paid. Next, move to adjustments. Here, you can manage period and journal entries and non-cash transactions. Create entries for depreciation, prepayments, accruals, and deferred revenue. You can also add manual journal entries and view recent history. Next, open Journal Register. This section displays all journal entries, both manual and system-generated filter entries by type such as POS, invoice, expense, or adjustment. Each entry includes narration, origin, amount, and posting status. Proceed to General Ledger. Here, you can view detailed account-wise transaction history, track debit and credit entries along with running balances. Use filters to search by account, reference, or date range. Next, go to Fixed Asset Register. Manage your capital assets and track depreciation. Add assets manually or run depreciation calculations. View total cost, accumulated depreciation, and net book value. Next, open accounts. Here, you can manage your chart of accounts and ledger hierarchy. Create, import, or organize accounts by type such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Next, go to Opening Balances set. Initial balances for all accounts. Ensure total debits and credits match before saving. Finally, open periodic schedules. Manage loans, provisions, and interest accruals. Add loan details and track EM/IS, interest, and financial obligations. Use the accounting module to maintain accurate books, ensure compliance, and gain full financial control. Navigate to Sidebar Banking. Welcome to the Banking Overview section. Here, you can manage your connected bank accounts and reconcile statements. Click on Add Account to connect a new bank account. View your linked accounts along with masked account details for security. Select a bank account to view its details. In the Statement section, you can see your bank balance along with incoming and outgoing amounts. In the Ledger section, view recorded balances from your accounting books. Compare statement and ledger balances to ensure accuracy. Use the Date selector to view transactions for a specific period. In the Transaction History section, view all income and expense transactions. Apply filters to categorize transactions as income or expense. If no transactions are available, the system will display an empty state for the selected period. Use this section to monitor bank activity, track balances, and maintain accurate financial records. Navigate to Sidebar Cash Transactions. Welcome to the Cash Transactions section. Here, you can record and manage your physical cash transactions. Click on Record Cash to add a new cash entry. View your cash on hand along with total inflow and outflow. Use the search bar to find transactions by description or reference. Apply filters to view all inflow or outflow transactions. Select a time range such as this month to analyze activity. Each transaction displays details such as date, description, reference, amount, and status. Use the Export option to download your cash transaction data. If no transactions are available, the system will display an empty state. Use this section to track cash movement and maintain accurate cash records. Navigate to Sidebar Reconciliation. Click on Match Transactions. Welcome to the Reconciliation section. Here, you can automatically match your bank transactions with your ledger entries using AI. In the Book Transactions section, view all recorded entries from your books. You can see the total amount and the number of unreconciled items. Use the search bar and filters to find specific transactions by type or amount. Each entry displays details such as party name, amount, transaction type, date, and reference number. In the Payment Feeds section, view incoming bank or cash transactions. Compare book transactions with payment feeds to identify matches. Use Auto Reconcile to automatically match transactions where possible. This helps ensure accuracy in your financial records and reduces manual effort. Once matched, transactions are marked as reconciled and removed from the pending list. Welcome to the Reports Hub. Here, you can deep dive into your financial performance and compliance. Use the categories to filter reports such as financial statements, accounting, tax and compliance, and inventory reports. You can also search for specific reports using the search bar. In the accounting section, access the trial balance to view pre- and post-closing balances. In financial reports, view the profit and loss statement for revenue, expenses, and net income analysis. Open the balance sheet to review your assets, liabilities, and equity use. The cash flow report to track inflows and outflows over time. In accounting, check AP/AR. Aging to monitor outstanding payables and receivables. In tax and compliance, access GST reports for GSTR1, GSTR3B, and ITC reconciliation view VAT reports to analyze input versus output tax. Check TDS reports for receivables and payables tracking. In inventory reports, monitor stock valuation, status, and movements. Use warehouse reports to analyze stock across locations and operational performance. Click on View Report to open and analyze any report in detail. Welcome to the Audit Logs section. Here, you can track and monitor all system activities and security events. Use the category filter to view specific types of logs. Select a date range to analyze activity within a specific period. Click on Refresh to load the latest logs, or Reset to clear filters. You can also search logs by ID using the search bar. Each log entry displays the time, action performed, user, and status track activities such as invoice creation, stock movements, purchase orders, and approvals. System-generated and user actions are clearly identified for full transparency. Use this section to audit operations, monitor user activity, and ensure data integrity. Logs older than 30 days are archived to maintain optimal system performance. Welcome to the Contacts dashboard here. You can manage your customers, vendors, and employees. Use the filters to view all customers, vendors, or employees. You can also search for contacts using the search bar. To create a new contact, click on Add Contact, the Add. New contact form will open. Enter the basic information such as name, type, email, and phone number. Fill in the financial details, including tax ID, currency, GST treatment, and payment terms. Add the billing and shipping address. Once all details are entered, click on Create Contact. Your new contact will be successfully added and will appear in the list. Welcome to Settings here. You can manage your account, company, and preferences. Navigate to My Account. In the Profile Information section, you can update your personal details. Edit your full name if needed. Your email address is displayed and cannot be changed. Click on Save Changes to update your profile. To update your password, go to the Change Password section. Enter your new password and confirm it. Click on Change Password to secure your account. In the Appearance section, you can customize how FAI looks on your device. Choose between light mode, dark mode, or system preference. Your theme selection will be saved and applied across sessions. Navigate to Settings, click on Company Profile. Here, you can manage your company information. Upload your company logo to display it on invoices and reports. Toggle options to show the logo on invoices and financial reports. In the Payment Information section, enter your UPI ID. You can also upload a payment QR code for direct payments. Enable the option to display payment details on invoices, review and update your company details, such as company name, GSTIN, and PAN number. Check your currency, country, and phone number. Verify your state and tax regime for compliance. Update your registered business address. Once all changes are made, click on Save Changes. In the danger zone, you can choose to archive or permanently delete your company. Note, deleting a company is irreversible and will remove all associated data. Navigate to Settings click on Platform Subscription. Welcome to the Platform Subscription section. Here, you can manage your plan, monitor usage, and upgrade as your business grows. In the Current Plans section, you can view your active subscription. You are currently on the Enterprise plan. This plan includes up to 100 companies, 1,000 team members, and 10 bulk upload files. You can also track your current document usage. In the Available Plans section, you can explore other subscription options. The free plan includes 15 documents per month, 1 company, and basic features. The basic plan offers 200 documents per month, 2 team members, and banking features. The starter plan includes 500 documents, 3 companies, inventory features, and audit trail. The Pro plan provides 1,000 documents, 5 companies, and up to 10 team members. In the Specialized Plans section, you can explore startup and enterprise options. Startup plan is designed for DPI-IT registered startups with discounted pricing. Enterprise plan offers full customization, AI analytics, and dedicated support. You can also purchase add-ons to increase your document limits as needed. In the Billing History section, you can view your past invoices once payments are made. Navigate to Settings. Click on Team. Here, you can manage users within your company. View your current usage and active members. To add a new member, click on Add Member. Enter the email address to invite a user and assign a role. Invited users will appear under pending invitations until accepted. Once accepted, they will be added to the active members list with their assigned roles. You can identify your account as You with SuperAdmin access. Use the refresh option to update the member list. FAI Insights, Proactive Consultant. Your intelligent assistant for real-time financial insights, recommendations, and decision support. Click on the chat icon at the bottom right of your screen. A chat window will open. You can type your query or use voice input. For example, ask, "What is the current status of my dashboard?" FAI Insights will instantly analyze your data and provide smart, actionable responses.